I'm gonna go ahead and try all the different settings on my DJI Osmo Action 6 during a night ride, so you don't have to. This time, we're checking the field of view. I will be checking RockSteady and RockSteady Plus as well on the same setting, and we will go through all the different options. Natural Dewarp, RockSteady off, no stabilization. Now this is natural white. Again, stabilization is off, so you can see how it's going. All the other settings, as I said before, 4K, 30 FPS, everything at auto except for white balance. Again, natural white, but this time RockSteady on. This time it's RockSteady Plus. One of the most important things that you'll notice is that it's just smaller. It's like it's zoomed in a little bit. It takes out a chunk from each side of the frame so it can stabilize the final footage. Also, the stabilization scenario in all of the videos is daily. Alright. Now, this is HorizonBalancing. I went into the stabilization settings and I chose HorizonBalancing. And when you do that, you cannot choose wide or natural wide or ultra wide. When you choose HorizonBalancing, you're gonna have standard Dewarp, and that's it. In stabilization scenarios, I've got HorizonSteady, and when you go to HorizonSteady, in your field of view options is limited to standard Dewarp only. So let's try it out a little bit, and then we'll go to the next one. We went to the next setting in the field of view settings, and this is wide. The stabilization scenario is RockSteady. This time the field of view is the same. You've got wide. The only thing that changed is the stabilization scenario. I dialed it up towards RockSteady Plus. Alright, now, ultra wide. The biggest field of view Osmo Action 6 has got. And the stabilization scenario is RockSteady only. Finally, we got to the last thing we're testing in this video. Ultra wide plus RockSteady Plus. And let's see. All settings at auto, but video mode versus all settings at auto, but Video mode, super nice. Let me know which one you liked best.